going on, y'all? Kevin at Lowcountry Paver. I was in the Charleston area, so I figured we'd stop through Twin Oaks here, pop in on them, see what they're up to today. Probably gonna surprise Doug in here, so this will be interesting. Doug, what's going on, man?
Nothing much, man. How you doing? Welcome back.
Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah.
We're in the Charleston area, so figured we'd stop in, see what you guys are up to.
It's no problem, man.
We got the display out here.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell the folks at home a little bit about Twin Oaks to start? And
Yeah. I actually know someone that knows a little bit more about Twin Oaks than me, so let's go over and see him real quick. Mauricio.
There he is.
Hey, how's it going?
What's going on?
Good to see you.
How about you explain to the people a little bit about Twin Oaks and how we got started and where we came from?
Well, man, Twin Oaks has been around going on 25 years now. Like in '01 we started with the landscape crew. Now just slowly but surely growing. Decided to buy this place because I just really want to invest a place to have my shop. And then people wanted to buy material and whatnot, so I decided to open a mulch market. And then now really get into the hardscape with Lowcountry and finding the right fit of people, especially with Doug. Doug has been a highlight. He's responsible for the building we're in, the pad. It's been good.
It's crazy how you guys kind of just snowballed into what you guys have become today, and seeing where it's going is pretty incredible.
It's like your landscape. It's always going to grow, but I think that if you have a plan, then it will work. I know that we will succeed, especially with you guys now with Lowcountry. So really, really excited.
We're excited to have you guys as a partner. We're excited to see where you guys go. Doug, you want to go check out this display pad?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right,
Always
man,
a pleasure.
To see you. Nice meeting you guys.
All right, so we got this new display out here. Tell me a little bit about kind of what your thought process was when designing the display here.
I wanted to have something here for when these homeowners, these contractors come in, they have an idea about colors, patterns, different types and styles that they can get with these pavers that Lowcountry offers. And I just really wanted that to be here, so when they're walking on it, they feel like they're at their own home. They can envision it in their own home. I got these by one pallet. So every pattern you see here, every color is all one pallet of pavers. So I don't have to get that constant question of how many pavers will fit in this area. It gives that really good idea for a homeowner or even a contractor of what they can get and expect with coverage wise with their pavers.
Yeah, and I see you've got the greatest hits out here. We've got Lowcountry Edgestone. Is that espresso there?
That's espresso.
That's so clean.
Yeah.
And of course the two-piece and Charleston Pearl. We've got Tabby. So yeah, you really can see all of the best options, the most popular options that you've got here. One thing I like that you did here, we've got the permeable display pad is actually the parking spots for people coming in. And I know a lot of municipalities, a lot of communities are requiring that people put permeable pavers down. But I love that you have these here because it really demonstrates the purpose of them. We see a lot of these.
And I love how it can give contractors, especially new ones, and since we are local and family, we want to help these contractors that are new to the area, new to doing their job, how they can sit there and envision and show these customers, hey, this is what your driveway can look like, your parking lot. They're doing a commercial job.
Yep.
So I'm glad to have these out here and people to park on them and be able to see what they can have in their driveway.
What's your favorite of these ones here?
I have to go for the Tabby.
The Tabby?
The Tabby 3-piece is probably my favorite.
Speaking of the Tabby, let's go check out this walkway you got
absolutely.
Going on over here.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a Caligny Tabby 4x8. It's the herringbone pattern. And you have this Savannah gray brick that's this border. This is a very sought after look for a lot of Kiowa, Stono Ferry, even over in James Island, Johns Island, and IOP. This is a very Charleston look.
Yeah.
If people want something Charleston, they want to make themselves feel like they're at home, you got to go with this colorway. And it's different. Tabby is only with you guys. I mean, Tabby is not a thing that you can just get anywhere. Lowcountry is specialized in doing Tabby, correct?
Yep, that's our exclusive finish. This Tabby finish, you know, we are Lowcountry Pavers, so our namesake, you know, we try to stay true to the Lowcountry, to our local community. And you know, this is an offering, especially along the Carolina coast, the Florida coast, Georgia coast.
It's amazing, man.
Let's check out this showroom that you guys are working on here.
Yeah. All right, so as you can see, you're in a metal building. What I want to do is, if you can see up here on the wall, you have this greenery that I'm actually gonna have on this entire back wall. And this is after the whole building is drywalled, of course. This is gonna have the light up Twin Oaks sign. So as you walk in, you see this greenery with the Twin Oaks sign. Then the walls are gonna be painted black. And then I'm gonna have black shelving with all the tools, rakes, anything that a contractor or homeowner would need, wheelbarrows, all the tools they need. I'm gonna have them for sale on each wall. And then it's also gonna be painted black with LED lights. So it's really gonna give this place a really cool feel when you walk in. You're not just walking into a metal building or a little, a white showroom. Yeah, you're gonna have, it's gonna feel special. Whenever it walks in, you can tell that we put in a lot of work to our display and to our showroom. So we're really, really excited about that.
Yeah.
That's coming in maybe the next month or two.
Sweet, yeah. I'll be back for sure to grab some photos of that and get that out on the internet. But you know, that's really cool. Like, you guys are really trying to be the one-stop shop here in the Charleston area for all the hardscaping needs of hardscape contractors. So that includes the tools here, and you're gonna have a lot more to shop from here. That's really awesome. It's gonna be super welcoming. I can see that people are gonna be really stoked to come in here and see it.
That's the plan.
Another thing you guys got going on, speaking of the community aspect, you guys got food here.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So yeah, tell me a little bit about that, where that came from.
So it's actually a new addition to Twin Oaks. This is gonna be perfect for families that are just coming out to grab any plants or grab their aggregate, whatever they want to do, but then able to sit down and have a bite to eat and get another idea or two for their own home. The quesadilla chorizo taco, it's absolutely a dive for. Following behind a quesadilla steak taco. Absolutely phenomenal. You cannot get any better. I have never had any better.
Why don't you tell the folks at home where they can find you if they're in the Charleston area, where they can check out this beautiful display.
We're located here on Savannah Highway, 4334 Savannah Highway. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, we have TikTok. We have it all. You can find us at any point in time. We do have a website as well, so feel free to go on the website and be able to browse through our selection of rocks, trees, aggregates, whatever it may be to suit you and your family. And then also come down and grab a taco. Even if you're not buying anything from us, you can at least come grab a bite to eat and become a part of the Twin Oaks family. Speaking of a quesadilla, you wanna go grab one?
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds incredible.